Guys, I'm not going to waste any of your time, so I'll get straight to the point and tell you about this stock that has the potential to go up 500% this year. I recently bought 500 shares because I can see this stock having an amazing growth year. Best part is, you guys aren't too late to grab this stock before it takes off. Today, I'm going to be talking about Vyne Therapeutics, or ticker symbol VYNE. I'll go through and tell you guys about the stock, their products, and later in the video, which billionaire invested $50 million. And to make sure you guys don't miss out on the next Tesla or NIO, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you will be informed on all the best upcoming stocks. That being said, let's get right into it. Vyne Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company that is focused on developing topical therapeutics for skincare. They develop their product using their proprietary molecule stabilizing technology, which has been a breakthrough in dermatology innovation. They're working to commercialize this technology that many companies in the industry thought were impossible. They have developed the first topical minocycline treatment for moderate to severe acne, which can treat patients better than the current treatments available. Along with acne treatments, they also treat inflammatory conditions like eczema and rosacea, which is another skin condition that affects nearly 16 million people a year in the United States. They've also recently announced their contract with another company for their technology. Acne is the most common skin condition in the United States, affecting up to 50 million Americans annually. Acne affects 80% of Americans at some time during their lives. Chances are, a good percentage of you watching this video have struggled with acne, so you know how frustrating it can be and wish that there would be a simple and effective solution. Well, this can be the solution. Products they are developing have the capability to potentially change the way we treat acne. The market for acne and skin products is enormous. This is one of the reasons why I believe a billionaire owns over $50 million of this stock, but I'll go more into detail on that later in the video. They have two products that are already FDA approved, and their third product is expected to be just as big as the first two, and has a huge market as they are close to getting approved there too. They have also been marketing a lot through social media and other digital sources, which I think is great because the younger generations, which are the main consumers for acne and skin products, are actively on social media. I think this will be an amazing opportunity to generate even more sales for the company. Social media presence and online marketing is a growing model, and costs for this tend to be low. In fact, online marketing is expected to account for over 46% of all advertising by 2021. Currently, Vyne is covering about 60% of the market, but they are in the works of having other contract negotiations that could bring the total market cap to over 90% by the end of the year. Also, through this graph, you can see that their prescribers are growing steadily around 18% every 8 weeks and will only continue to grow. This is great because it's going to produce more revenue for the company. Thinking about continuing to grow, the acne market is a growing market that is expected to grow up to $7.5 billion by 2027, and it's currently just at $5.5 billion. The acne market is a growing market that's expected to grow up to $7.5 billion by 2027 and is currently just at $5.5 billion. As an investor, you always want to be investing in a growing industry, and that's exactly what we have here. Over 50% of physicians expect to see an increase in their product's usage over the next 6 months, which is the highest increase among all acne solutions. At this current growth rate, there's a high chance that Vyne will meet their projections and cover 90% of the market by the end of the year. Let's talk about the billionaire who owns over $50 million of this company. His name is Joseph Edelman, who is a hedge fund manager for Perceptive Advisors. He owns nearly 23 million shares of stock. Also, one of the largest hedge funds in the world, BlackRock, has increased their position size over 20% in the last 4 months, and they currently own $20 million worth of the stock. The fact that all these huge hedge fund owners are buying heavy into this stock is a great sign because they have thousands of people working for them to help them find the best stocks to invest their money into. Now, when we look into the company's financials, we can see that they are well equipped with over $100 million in cash and have 168 million shares outstanding. They have beat their last 2 earnings, and with the projected increase in their product's usage, as well as the millions of dollars that hedge funds are investing, I think they could absolutely crush their next earnings. Also, it's important to note that none of the insiders of the company have sold any shares, which is another really good sign that the company is going to have a great year. Right before I talk about price targets, here's a quick video of the CEO talking.
This has been an incredibly rewarding year for our company. we launched our first product, AMZEEQ, the first FDA-approved topical form of the antibiotic minocycline for the treatment of moderate to severe acne. We also recently received FDA approval for our second product, ZILXI, for the treatment of rosacea, and we look forward to launching ZILXI next quarter. Our new products, AMZEEQ and ZILXI, are the result of years of hard work by every member of our company, and I am so proud to be a part of such a tremendous team. But we are not stopping there. We are laser focused on growing our business, developing a pipeline of innovative products to address unmet needs for patients, maximizing our operational capabilities, and building value for our shareholders.
I could see the stock going to $10 to $15 a share because the products they have launched are doing really well treating patients, as well as they are going to be marketing their product more heavily this year. And there is plenty of room to grow because acne is such a big market. Like I said earlier in the video, acne affects over 50 million people a year in the United States alone. Because this stock is still under $2, I am confident that it can go up from here, and a reasonable price target would be $10. Vine is going to be marketing their product to the masses this year, while also being backed by large hedge funds and institutions. All signs lead to a strong bullish run this year for Vine, and I think it's definitely worth your attention as it could skyrocket nearly 500%. If you enjoyed the video, I don't ask much, but please consider subscribing. It really helps motivate me to keep making these videos and shows me your support. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time.